you know what people crave now is just to be respected. If they can just get some respect from somebody, because
Mhm.
the internet is a disrespectful place. So you put
Mhm.
somebody in a job in a company, if their boss is respectful to them, you know how huge that is?
Yep.
I mean, just to be afforded just a minimal amount of respect in an organization is
Mhm.
really, it is really a premium. I mean, and respect can be just a pat on the back. You do a good job and your boss comes by and says, "Hey, Rob," or "Hey, Jim," "Hey, Sally," that was a really good presentation. I really appreciate the work you put into that. That's
Mhm.
really cool. Almost nobody gets that anymore. I mean, just to show simple respect is huge for people in that age group.
Here's where, so respect is huge, and it comes into, it's a mutual trust. When you find a really good and person in who's in your organization, you give them some latitude. And it might be, hey, look, you're in the office, we'd like you to show up to the office, but if you can do this from home and get the same results, we trust you to do that. It's not, we're not going to go over your expense accounts with a microscope. If you're traveling on the company and you go get a nice dinner, if you've been traveling on the company for a week and you go get a nice dinner, we respect the fact that you've been away from your family
Yeah, exactly.
and on the road, and you went and got a dinner, nice dinner with a bottle of wine, and we paid for it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for your efforts to go, thank you for being away from your family. That's what the respect comes down to.
Yeah, absolutely.
And when you have that culture, it changes games.